show the flag? Show your flag. It's Independence Day today, guys. Very good. Abhi yellow wala yellow mein. And you very good. Very nice. Van, mommy have gift for you. Tignan nyo ang anak ko, guys. Pinapractice na namin siya kung paano gumawa ng rotli, guys, para tulungan niya yung baho niya. Hiya. Guys, so ayan, kung nakikita nyo nakabihis si Mommy at saka si Papa. Dahil papaalis sila ngayon. Kaya ano siya, Mommy?
15 August में
This is, today is August 15.
इवन स्कूल है
Ivan, they will be going to Ivan school. Come suit you, August 15.
आज बा दादा ने बोलाया છે એવું છે
Okay. Especially for Lolo and Lola.
Bada.
પછી આપણા તઈ શું કરવાનું છે તમે?
મને હવે બધી એક્ટિવિટી કરવાની છે
આજે કદાચ Independence Day છે એટલે તમે બધું activities કરવાના છે. Ba and Dada. So, today guys, si Ivan, Mommy at saka si Papa
બધાના બા દાદા જ આવશે
they'll be going to school para ano si Ivan doon, samahan siya because there will be program. Kung nasa harapan ng bahay namin, I think umalis na sila kasi Independence Day nga ngayon ay may program. So ayan, aalis sila ngayon. Babalitaan ko kayo. Guys, aalis na sila, Mommy. Kailangan ko maiwan dito sa bahay dahil darating nga si Malamasi yung magluluto. Kaya ayun, sila lang yung aalis, dalawa. Tapos si Baby Ivan, ewan ko kung nasaan si Baby Ivan. I think dinala na siya doon sino ba yun? Si Indio Chacha. Nandito sa Son Almasi ay naglilinis siya. So ayan. Currently cleaning, nagmamap. Nilabas natin itong mga damit. Gawa ng maaraw nga. So ayan. Sala. Tingnan niyo yung kamay niya, guys. Nakaganyan pa.
चल अंदर
थैंक यू मैडम એવું કહેવાનું
मैजिक कर दो बस बस इसमें खड़े हो जाओ बेटा
ઝંડો આપો
कोई पता ऐसे आपो वेरी गुड अभी येलो वाला येलो में झंडो है एंड यू वेरी गुड वेरी नाइस वेरी गुड here we on
इवन
very good
एम करने एम
very good Peter
आगे जाना है Bye.
Maliko tayo.
And I will get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
Guys, can you please show the flag? Show your flag. It's Independence Day today, guys. Eh? Very shy-shy naman ang baby kong yan. Oh, shy-shy ka. Yo! It's India's flag. Independence Day. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Naapo ka pa, baby mo naman, anak ko. Iwanis pa, bebe. Iwanis pa, bebe. Ala, kayo. Sorry. Sorry, Indian flag. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Indian flag. Yay! 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 Indian flag. Yay! Yay! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go! Upar? Upar? Upar, Pacha? Okay, upar, Pacha. Cute you! Cute you! Yay! 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 Yay!
Ala.
Yay! 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 Sit down. Sit down. Your balloon. Get your balloon. Yo-ho! Get your balloon. Guys, so they are done. They're done sa Nietzsche balloon. They're done sa Independence Day celebration since August 15 ngayon. Orange balloon? Oh, see? Orange balloon daw. Nagpunta daw dito yung orange balloon niya.
Kay Guywan taro balloon?
Ayo. What is the color of this balloon? Orange. Oh, get it please. So it's Independence Day today, guys, dito sa India. That's why si Mommy and Papa nagpunta doon to help baby Ivan kasi it's a program for grandmother and grandfather. So ayan, I'll be feeding Ivan now and then babalitaan ko kayo, guys. Tignan nyo naman ang outfit ng baby ko. Show your outfit, Ivan. Show your outfit. Show your clothes. This is my clothes. Show. Here, very handsome. Mami kayo uchetay majay. Guys, so Ivan have assignment. Here, Ivan, here's your assignment. So we have to color this flower. Oh, come, you sit here. You have to color the flower. Mommy will teach you. Oh, you come sit here. Teach mommy, okay? You color yellow. This one. Flower is color yellow. Yellow flower. So how many flower? 1, 2. How many? 2. Huh? Hold this, please. You have to color this, anak. It's your homework. Come. Here. Color yellow. Look, Ivan will color. Here. Here. I will give you a sticker. I will give you a sticker if you color this one. Go. You have to color, Color. Chalo. Color. Here, you have to color the flower, anak ko. Come here. Ayaw, guys. Still playing. Oh, see? Ivan, you have assignment, Color the flower, please. Ivan, mommy have gift for you. Mommy have gift for you. Huh? Gift. Mommy have gift for baby Ivan. Wow! Oh, kiss mommy first. Mwah. What will you say? Thank you. Thank you. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy here. Okay, sit down. We will play. Wow! Do you like it? Open. Oh, Ivan will open, please. Mommy will open. Help mommy, please. Help, please. Let's go and... Yeah. Wow! So many toys. This one? Ayo. Okay. Open. Mommy will open. What did I say? Mommy, open, please. Open, please. Okay. Guys, so we have baby Ivan's Play-Doh. Modeling clay. So, Ivan, guys, mahilig siya sa ganito. Mula nung meron siyang natanggap na gift. So, let's go and open it. Wow! This one you like? This one or this one? Which one you want me to open? This one or this one? Ayo, okay. Mommy will open. What will you say to mommy? Mommy, thank you. What will you say to mommy? Mommy, thank you. Wait, you will not say thank you to mommy? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Open? What will you make? Pizza? We'll make pizza, guys. How do you open? Mommy will open na? With teeth? Mommy will open using teeth. Yeah. Wow! Oh, wait. Mommy will give you one by one. Wow! Woo! Oh, this one. Yeah. This one. Not the, this one. Mommy will make, please. Give me. Okay. Mommy will make circle, okay? Here. Guys, last time kasi, what we did is, we gave baby Ivan this, and then he, pinagdudugtong-dugtong niya. You make pizza, okay? Small. Okay, small pizza. Amma? Okay. Here. Here. Put together. Amma. Put inside like this. Put like that. Not like that. Ngayon, masaya na siya, guys. So, ayan. Lalaroin ko lang si baby Ivan dito, and then babalitaan ko kayo. We'll make bakery. Bobby bakery. Jo. We'll make bakery. Jo, Ivan. Jo. Ivan. Bobby બનાવવાનું છે Ivanને.
હટી ગયું.
Wow, look guys, oh, we have a lot of Play-Doh and we have shape. Ivan, you want to go and make this? It's a duck. It's a rabbit. Let's go and make the rabbit. Huh? Make the rabbit. Which one you want to make? Here, rabbit. Want to go and make the rabbit? Uy, what is this one? It's a butterfly. Look, gustong-gusto ni baby Ivan na maglaro sa mga ganito, guys. Oh. That's why Hiya bought it specifically. Pinabili ko kay Hiya para maglaro kami ni Ivan. Here, this one. Put like this. Very good.
like a wildfire.
Tignan nyo ang anak ko, guys. Pinapractice na namin siya kung paano gumawa ng rotli, guys, para tulungan niya yung baho niya. Hiya. Nabaho madad karse, rotli banauta.